Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video we are talking about the Shiba coin. What's the prices goes in the Shiba coin and what's the market crash occur in the Shiba coin. As you know, yesterday the market crash, all cryptocurrencies change becomes negative, and yesterday friends. So what's the change goes in yesterday in a Shiba coin? In this video I will show you friends, and we are also talking about the next move of Shiba coin friends. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new in my channel, so kindly subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news friend. Now for example, if you look the current price of Shiba coin, so the current price of Shiba coin is about 0.000001 USD dollar is the price of Shiba coin friend. The price is very low friends. If you want to invest, so absolutely I think it's a good decision of all of your opinion. Now if you look the change occurred in Shiba coin, so the last 1 hour change become positive friends. And if we talk about the last 1 day, so as you know, as I told you in the start of this video, that yesterday the market crash occurred, all the cryptocurrencies crash fast down friends. So now let's see the more details, the price prediction chart. As you can see here, the last 1 day friends, at this point, at this time, the market crash occurred in Shiba coin. All the cryptocurrencies fast down, except of some coin, 5 or 4 coins, except of all the cryptocurrencies fast down friends. Now friends, if we talk about the last 1 day price prediction, so the change occurred in the last 1 day as about negative 5.7%, but it's a good news for all of you. As you can see here, Shiba coin after a crash they can take a jump, and if we look the currently condition of Shiba coin, so currently they are also moving upward friends. So absolutely it's a good news for all of you friends. If we look the price of the Shiba coin, so as you can see here, 0.0001 USD at this time friends. Count the zero yourself friends. I'm not count this kind of zero, so very highly 0.000001. Okay, so if you want to invest in Shiba coin, is this the beginning of Shiba coin? This is why the price is very low. So if you want to invest, so absolutely the price is very low, please invest in a Shiba coin. It's absolutely best news for all of you and best decision of all of you friends. So in the future I think in 2022 they will give you a good amount of profit for this, because now the currently at this time the price is very low, but I think 2022 they can easily had 1 or 2 USD dollar they can easily have friends. So if you want to invest, so please buy now at this time friends. And if you are a holder also, so please hold it with the last of this year friends, because the currently price is very low. When in the last of this month, in the last of this year, they will give you a good amount of profit. Absolutely the price of the Shiba coin in the last of this year becomes of 1 USD dollar friends. So what's your opinion about Shiba coin? Please share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.